Okay, this is the vacuum sealer, the KOIOS vacuum sealer. I don't know how to pronounce it. KOIOS. I accidentally did the whole video without actually hitting the video on, so I had already done it. Luckily, there was a piece of meat left over from my pork chops that I had, and I know it's kind of wasting a bag, but you know, I already had done the video without pressing start. So, and it's a good meat to do for like extra if I want to chop it up and put it into like my tacos or something. I like to do street tacos and stuff. It'll be fun. Anyways, on top here you have your moist, dry food touchscreen, your seal, your vacuum seal, your stop. Right here is your bag cutter. You just lay the bag there, whatever. Sure, you could probably use paper even. But yeah, your bag cutter, you just slide it. So what you do, you just lift your lid. You got your chamber here. I've used this several times, so yeah, I know I need to wipe that down. Right there is your vacuum seal hole. Don't cover that up whenever you put your bag in, otherwise you will not be able to suck in all the air. If you are doing a liquid can or something that you're doing, this tube here, this tubing here is my extra foam thing. The tubing here goes on it, and then that goes on your tube, and that's how that works. I've never done it myself though. I don't usually have to do that stuff, so I just, sorry. Anyways, you put the bag here in your chamber. Make sure you have it there on your chamber. Sorry, one-handed. Then you take your deal, you shut it. You'll hear the clicks, meaning it is secure and sealed. You touch your vacuum seal lightly. Sucks it all in. And then you see those lights going. Those lights means it's still working. It's gonna keep going until the lights stop. Right now it's doing its extra sealing, making sure that the bag is shut for you. It's done. There's these side buttons right there. So what you do, you push those in, pops your lid open, boom, you have your freshly sealed meat. Wonderful, fast, amazing. Yeah, so that's it. It plugs in right there. Sorry, I had all this stuff out because I wanted to also show you, you know, what else it came in the box is, you know, you've got the chamber rubber thing. They gave you an extra one to put in, gave you your full user manual that has everything in it, which in my description, which is way better than my talking in this video. So sorry, my talking is crazy. You know, it has all of that in there as well. You get 5 small medium bags, 5 large bags to start you off with. Does everything, gives you your tubing for your liquid. It's a great deal. Great buy. I love it. My family are meat lovers. Gives me a full dinner range option where I don't have to dethaw all my meats. You know, I can just thaw out what my dinner plan is for that time, which is wonderful. So thank you so much, KOIOS, however you pronounce, you know, your guys' name. I love this item. Thank you for having it out on the market.